Hello, good afternoon to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how to add NGL link to your Instagram story. So I have already added an NGL link to this. So I'll just open and show you, and later I'll show. See here. This is how you can add NGL link to your Instagram story. So I'll show you how you can do that also. First of all, you need to have this NGL app on your mobile. So uh, download this and register for this. If you don't know how to create account on this, I already made a video on this tutorial. Check for the description, you can go through it. Okay, once you created the account, when you open this app, you'll get a link of this NGL. So that link you need to copy to the Instagram story. See, right on the home page also itself, you'll have this option copy link. You need to tap on this. That's it. The link will be copied. So once the link is copied, just you need to open your Instagram application on your mobile and try to create any story. You can click on camera, and maybe you can record a small video or anything. Okay. Okay, your story is done, and at top you'll see in this option, sticker option. You need to tap on this. Under the sticker option, there is option something like link will be here. Where is this link? Yes, here link, and you can copy and paste the link. Okay. uh, you can write some text also. You can send messages, whatever it may be, that is not needed also. You can write something like this, or if you leave it empty also, that is fine, and you can just post it. So done. It will be posted to your story. What when someone messages you by clicking on that Instagram link, you need to open your NGL app, and at right side you'll see just beside play inbox, and at inbox you will be able to see this. How are you feeling today? So someone sent a message something like this. See here, close. Hello, how are you? You see here, I received two messages as I posted this NGL link on the Instagram story. So this is how you can actually add NGL link to your Instagram story. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.